The Francois monkey is a special elfish-looking primate. Their unique haircut resembles a punk hairstyle. Its whole body sports shiny black hair, except for 2 pinches of white hair that perfectly fill up between the cheeks and the temples. With the sideburns, they look like they are constantly in a state of rage. The cub is also special. The newborn has its crest, back and tail in taupe, while the rest of its body parts are in orange. To the uninformed, they might think the mother has picked the wrong baby. After a month, however, its hair begins to turn darker. In half a year, it would almost exhibit the color of the adult. In terms of choosing its habitat, the Francois monkey also sets itself apart. The limestone area on the Karst landform seems like their only option. The Francois monkey is endemic to Asia. They are mainly distributed in Southeast Asian countries, including China, Myanmar, Thailand, and Laos, roughly consistent with the distribution of karst topography. In China, the Francois monkey is a first-class state-protected animal. They only live in Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region, Guizhou Province, and Chongqing Municipality. Meiyang River National Nature Reserve in Guizhou has the country's densest and largest population of Francois monkeys. It is also the world's largest habitat for wild Francois monkeys. It is known as the Kingdom of the Francois monkey and is home to more than 70 groups of nearly 600 monkeys. The uncanny craftsmanship of Mother Nature is perfectly exhibited in the Meiyang River Valley. In the steep mountains dotted with caves, the forest coverage reaches almost 80%, offering Francois monkeys a favorable living environment. The sparse woodland on the cliff is the place for their daily activities. The natural caves and crevices are where they spend the night. Under such conditions, whether they are hunting or sleeping, the Francois monkeys have to take risks in climbing and leaping. Millions of years of adaptation has driven them to develop the special skill of flying off cliffs. With slender bodies and long limbs, Francois monkeys roam the valleys with agility as if on solid ground, looking like black elves on the cliff. They play in the shade, wander by gurgling streams, forage in the woods, and rest in the caves. The Meiyang River is their very own exclusive sanctuary.